Good morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area branch. Again, student, lesson 1, number system, and today I am going to explain exercise 3C. In this topic, student, what is irrational number? What is irrational number? The combination of non-terminating and non-repeating the combination of non-terminating or non-repeating is called irrational number. Very easy definition, student. What is irrational number? So we can say the combination of non-terminating and non-repeating is called irrational number. For example, root 2, the value of root 2 is infinity, and root 3, root 5, root 7, these are the examples of irrational number. The other example is non-terminating, means 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 6, 7, 4, 1, 0, 5, whatever you can write, this is the irrational number, because there is no repetition, as well as non-terminating is also exists, and so on. Okay, this is the example of irrational number. But here one more example is the certain pattern. That means we can write here 0.10, 100, 100, 1 4 times 0, and this is also an example of irrational number. That means here is the repetition, but repetition in the certain pattern. Means in this case here is the 1 times 0, this is also a 2 times 0, 3 times 0, 4 times 0, 0, and the next step is 5 times 0, 6 times 0. Okay, so we can write this is also the type of irrational number. Okay, the second, here is the property of irrational number. So first of all, student, write down a rational number. A rational number is generally represented by R, and irrational number is equal to I. Okay, rational number is R and irrational number is I. So the first property is R plus I is equal to always I. Keep in your mind, means rational number plus irrational number is always irrational number. For example, student, 2 plus root 3. 2 is the rational number and root 3 is the irrational number. But the sum of these two value is again 2 plus root 3, because there is no any operation exist in a rational and irrational. Then we can say this value 2 plus root 3 is the irrational number. This is the first property. Second property is rational number minus irrational number is always irrational number. 3 minus root 5 is equal to 3 minus root 5. There is no operation exists in a addition as well as multiplication, subtraction. 3 is the rational number, root 5 is the irrational number, and the combination of these two numbers is also irrational number. The third one is the rational number into irrational number is always irrational number. Let us see some example. 2 into root 3. 2 into root 3. Here is 2 is the rational number and root 3 is the irrational number, and the combination of these two value 2 root 3. If suppose someone asks you 2 root 3 is what type of number, so we can say 2 root 3 is the irrational number, because 2 is the rational number and root 3 is the irrational number, and combination of these two is always irrational number. And the last one property is divide. rational number divided by irrational number, okay, is always irrational number, like this. 2 divided by root 5. 2 divided by root 5. Here 2 is the rational number and root 5 is the irrational number. But if it is division, then result is always irrational number. That means 2 divided by root 5, the value of this is infinitely, like this. This type of value is exist here. Okay. So student, always remember in 4 property: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and last one is the division. Okay, I will explain some more example related to irrational number. Here student, question number 10, exercise 3C. Find 2 rational. Here find 2 rational and 2 irrational number between 0.5 and 0.55. Okay student, here we have 2 value. First one is the 0.5 and second one is the 0.55. But after the decimal point, here the 2 value, but after the point, here 1 value. So this value can be written as 0.50, because after 0, after point, there is no value of zeros. Okay, so we can write 0.50500, and second one is the 0.55. So look at here student, this is the 0.50 and this is the 0.55. So select any 2 value between 50 and 55. Take any 2 value like 0.51, 0.53, 0.52, 0.54. Okay, so there are 4 rational number exist between these 2 number. This is the first, second, third and fourth. So take any 2 value, because any 2 rational number, you have to find any 2 rational number, take any 2 value and give the answer. Okay, but 2 irrational number. So 2 irrational number means we can calculate. Again student, take any 2 value between these 2, like this type: 0.51, 511, 511, 511, 5, 4 times 1, 5, and so on. Look at here student, this value lies between above 50 and below 55. So we can write this form also. This is a irrational number. Take another example: 0.52, 522, 5222, 5222, again 5, and so on. This is also a irrational number. So take any 2 example. Here the infinity irrational number is lies between these 2 value. Okay, and the definite value lies between 0.50 and 0.55. Take another one value also student: 0.531211712567 whatever you written, all are lies between these 2. But the thing is that here written 0.54. If suppose a student, someone write this way: 0.41, 411, 411, 4 times 1, and so on. This is also a irrational number, but this value doesn't lie between 50 and 55, because here after the point value is 41, but here the value is 50 and 55. So this is the irrational number, but this irrational does not lie between these 2 values. Okay student, I hope student you will understand how to calculate the rational number as well as irrational number in any case. Okay, let's see some more example. Here question number 11 student, find 3. Look at here, find 3 different irrational number between two rational number. That means under these two rational number you have to find three irrational numbers. Okay student, look at here. First of all student, divide 5 divided by 7, then 5 divided by 7. Put here point 50, 7 7 ja 49, 1 0, 7 1 ja 7, 3 again 0, 7 4 ja 28, 2 0, 7 2 ja 14, 6 0, 7 8 ja 56, 4 0, 7 5 ja 35, again 5 0. Look at here student, this is the 50. Again value is repeated. Again same logic apply after this value. After this value again same things is applied. That means here you can write a recurring. That means again student 7 1 4 2 8 5 like this. Again 7 1 4 2 8 5. Again 7 1 4 2 8 5. So we can write, this is the recurring form. So this value is 0.714285. Put here recurring. Second thing is student, 9 divided by 11, 0.88, 2 0 1 11 9 0. Again student, look at here. Here is the 90. That means it will be repeated. 81 81 81. So we can write here 9 by 11 is equal to 0.81 recurring. So here student we have two value. First one is the 0.714885 recurring and second one is the 0.81 recurring. So select any two. Here is the 7 one or here is the 8 one. Select any three value lies between above of the 71 and below of the 81. So the first value is 0.72 722 7 triple 2 7 4 times 2 and 7 and so on. This is the first value. 0.75 1 double 5 1 triple 5, again 1 4 times 5 and so on. 0.78 1 0 1 double 0 1 triple 0 1 4 times 0 and so on. Take any three value whatever you need, take and put this value is the irrational number. Okay student, I hope you will understand this question also. And the last question is question number 12. Find three rational number between these two irrational number. Question number 12, exercise 3C. So find three rational number between these two irrational number. Look at the student. This is the type of irrational number. This is also a type of irrational number. So select first two value. This is the 21 and this is the 20. There is no value exists in 20 and 21. If you select three value, then what will happen here student? Here is the three value means 0.212 and here the three value is 0.202. So look at here. here is the 0.202 and here is the 0.212. Take any three value lies between these two value, like 0.205 first value, 0.207 second value, and 0.209 third value, 0.2211. This is also exist. These values are lies between 0.202 and 0.212. Okay, students. So this is your final answer. I hope, student, you will understand all types of rational number or irrational number. So here, student, your homework is complete exercise 3C. Complete exercise 3C. If you have any problem, if you have any doubts, if you have any query, ask the question. Okay, student, thank you.